Hello friends. Welcome to our 6th video of the series of tariff determination process in India. We have shared many times that tariff is determined based on many factors and the distribution company has control over some of them and no control over rest. As a result, the Commission categorizes the factors into controllable and uncontrollable factors and specifies how variations in such factors are considered while determining the tariff. In this video, we are discussing about controllable and uncontrollable factors. Now, we move to understand what are controllable factors. As the name suggests, these factors are under control of distribution companies. In simple words, all the expenses, which can be controlled either by taking management-level decision or by utilization of available resources properly, are considered as controllable expenses. Some of them are capital expenditure, technical and commercial losses, return on equity, depreciation and working capital requirements, standard of performance or operational norms, operation and maintenance expenses, power supply to consumers and bad and doubtful debts. Next comes uncontrollable factors. These are beyond the control of distribution companies. Some of them are change in law events, changes in taxes and duties, impact of force majeure events, like natural calamities, etc., variation in sales quantum and mix, power purchase cost or power generation, to a certain extent, variation in fuel cost, transmission charges and interest rates on long-term loans. Now we will see how such factors are treated under tariff order. Tariff regulations by state commission specify formula for aggregate sharing of gain or losses to distribution companies and consumers on account of controllable factors. Principally, underachievement by distribution companies in such factors are not allowed to be shared with consumers. On the other hand, approved aggregate gain or loss to the distribution companies on account of uncontrollable factors are allowed to be passed through as an adjustment in the tariff of distribution companies. Such pass-through are allowed during the truing up process. In upcoming videos, we will be talking about factors and what are their significance in tariff determination. However, their treatment in some sense depends on categorization, which we have shared in this video. Comment below to share your views on this tariff series. Like and share the video. Also, subscribe to the channel to see more such videos in future.